Hi, my name is David, and in this video I want to demonstrate for you how MicroKey and CheKT integrate with one another. Here I'm just looking at a subscriber account, and I'm going to go to the central station record for this account, the CSID. And what you'll see on this CSID that I just have set up for testing is an action plan. This action plan, 413, has been assigned to any Berg alarm codes. Now, I'm going to show you in MicroKey where you would build an action plan. You're just going to go to Maintenance and General Maintenance. And when you open that up, just type in Action Plan. And I'm going to show you the sample action plan that we've built for demonstration on this account. We have a number of action plans built, so I'm going to go to the Action Plan 413 and pull up the action steps. It's a pretty simple action plan. It's going to just be set up to launch a command and then bring the operator back to manual mode. But what you'll see in this action plan is that the executed command is to open up Google Chrome with this URL and insert a couple of variables, the CSID and the zone number of the alarm. The reason we use variables in this URL is so that an action plan only needs to be built one time, and then it can be used across all accounts. What MicroKey will do is when an alarm occurs on any CSID, MicroKey will automatically insert the CSID and zone number from the alarm information into that URL. And then when our portal is launched, the operator will be looking at the exact camera and site that has an alarm. So with an action plan like this built and assigned to an account, the operator doesn't have to do anything additional. When they process the Berg signals that they always have, MicroKey will automatically launch the CHeKT portal and show the operator the exact video and camera that's in alarm. Now, if you go back to the account, I want to show you a couple additional things. You may have noticed earlier that when we looked at this account, that only Berg alarm codes were set to use Action Plan 413. If you were going to use CHeKT to supervise a panic or other type of alarm events, you would simply add that alarm code to the customer record. So I'm going to select panic from the alarm code list and choose Action Plan 413. This will allow MicroKey to automatically open the CHeKT portal and show an operator exactly what caused that panic alarm to go off, which is very powerful, of course, in supervising duress or panic signals for clients. Now that we have an account set up, I'm just going to open up the MicroKey Central Station software where we can process an alarm. I'm just going to create a manual alarm right now for this account by typing in the CSID, the signal ID, and zone number. What you'll see, and this is the way an operator would process an alarm direct from an alarm panel, is the alarm come in, and as soon as I begin processing this alarm, MicroKey will automatically open up the CHeKT monitoring portal for the operator. And now an operator can clearly see what caused this zone to go into alarm. At this point, in our monitoring portal, what we do is we always start the operator with the exact camera that's in an alarm. Now, if the operator can't determine criminal intent and needs to push this event direct to an end user or key holder, they can do that. What you see on the right side of the screen is my cell phone mirrored onto this video. I'm just doing this so you can see the type of message that the end user receives during an alarm. So once the central station pushes that to me as the end user, I just get a simple SMS text message on my phone, and when I click on it and touch to proceed, I'll be looking at the same alarm event that the operator is. Now on my phone, I can swipe on the screen to go from event video to live of that camera and go back, of course, to the event video. Now the operator on their screen can see that I'm checking the video. This is critical because now the operator knows that someone's looking at the video event. Now I'm going to hit disregard on my phone. Once I do that, you'll see my phone screen change to say alarm verification is finished. But now the operator can visually see that I said to cancel. Now, had I had requested a dispatch from the monitoring center, our monitoring portal allows the operator to move through the additional cameras on site to see if there's anyone else on the property or to view activity on the property. Simply by clicking on a camera icon on the map, the operator can move to that location. The operator can also click above and then get a live video of the camera. Now, we also give the operator the ability to go back 2 minutes on any camera. This is an on-demand feature that allows an operator to scroll through the previous 2 minutes of any camera very quickly. It'll play that video on a 25-second time lapse or allow them to scroll. You can also see that I can click off of that and then go to any additional cameras that I might need. This is critical for video verification and situational awareness during a dispatch. The sitemap feature is just another function of the monitoring portal. Just allows an operator to utilize this sitemap and really have a good understanding of where they are on the property as they look through cameras. Now, once an alarm verification is complete, really the most important and valuable feature that we offer to MicroKey dealers is the ability to now see all of the events that took place by the operator and in the monitoring portal right in the account history. So what you'll see is the berg come in, followed by a restoral. You'll see a timestamp of when the monitoring portal was open, when the operator sent the verification text, who checked the text, and then which user said to cancel or to dispatch on that alarm. This is critical for every central station. So that's a summary and a quick overview of how CHeKT and MicroKey integrate together. I look forward to providing anyone with any additional information as you have questions. Thank you so much.